Renaissance Creative Arts presents From Tuscany to Tipperary, an online art instructional program on plein air oil painting, filmed in some of the most beautiful locations in Italy and Ireland, with your host and instructor, Jessica Henry.
A spot where I want to paint. Put the panel up, move these brackets together. Yellow pale, yellow ochre. We're at the Doolin Park in Doolin here at the pier, and I decided to that. Bearing in mind that my strongest contrasts and values are going to be up close.
Water, and so again, trying to work the painting in unity. Trees contrasted with the mountains. I started with the sketch, putting all those elements together, and then I notes, photos, my plein air paintings, and just assemble the whole. And this is the finished painting called Safely Home, and you can see how combining these elements created a cohesive whole. But I couldn't have done it just using photo reference. Those plein air paintings were crucial to getting these colors and values accurate. Just enough time to sort of get the cliffs in. I'm using odorless mineral spirits and just drawing in where I need things to go. Thinking about notan, which is a Japanese word. Photographs will distort the color and the values. Oh, that's too dark. So I think that's nothing is really jarring. It feels like the sky. A little bit of the cad yellow